the formula for permutation is different from combination. So we need to know if the question is permutation or combination. Here's an example. I need to pick a manager and an assistant manager from a list of 5 applicants. We have 5 applicants, A, B, C, D, and E. Now, if I choose A as the manager, and then I choose B as the assistant manager, this will be a different arrangement if I choose B as the manager and then A as the assistant manager. So in this example, the order is important. So this is a permutation. Now the formula for permutation is this: NPR is factorial n minus r factorial. So we just substitute n is 5 factorial, n minus r, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 factorial. This is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial, so 3 times 2 times 1. So we cancel this one, we cancel this one. So there are 20 possible combinations of picking a manager and an assistant manager from a list of 5 applicants. Example 2. I need to pick 2 employees from a list of 5 applicants. So you just need 2, and it doesn't matter what position, you only need to pick 2. So for example 2, if I pick A and B as the 2 applicants, I don't need to pick B and A because they are the same arrangement, they are the same. So in here, order is not a factor, so this is a combination. Now, the formula for combination is NCR n factorial n minus r factorial times r factorial. So for example 2, so n is 5, r is 2, so 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So this becomes 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. So this becomes 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This becomes 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 1. So this one cancels out. This one cancels out with this one. We have 2 times 5, 10 possible combinations. That's it.